Okay, today we're here to do our math, so I'd like everybody to go get your book out with the squares on the butterfly wings. Okay, so let's open the book. The page you should be on is the very next page in our book, page 115. We are going to take a look at the picture. We're going to listen to the subtraction problem. Today we're taking away. We're going to listen to the subtraction problem. Baxter and his friends are at the zoo. There are 5 children on the train. Some children leave the train. Now there are 4 children on the train. How many children left the train? So what we could do is get our blocks out again. And let's put 5 children in the train. I'll put 1 in each window. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there are 5 of them in there. Some of them leave the train, and there are 4 left. So we have to figure out how many are leaving the train. How are we going to figure that out? Well, we could take 1 away at a time. That's a good idea. So let's take 1 and take him off the train. Now let's see if there's 4 left in the train. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, there are 4. Good job. So let's go ahead and put the other one back in. We have 5 now. We are going to listen to this story. There are 5 children in the train. Some children leave. Now there are 2 children left in the train. So we have to think about how many are leaving if we only have 2 left. So we're going to take some away until there's only 2 left in the train. Still too many. Nope, still too many. There's 2 left up in the train now. So how many of them left? Let's count. Good job. There are 3 left. So 5 of them, 3 of them left. That means there's 2 left on the train. So good job, boys and girls. Those are the kinds of things we're going to be talking about today in this lesson. Let me move these, and we will take our page out and turn it over. So if you don't have blocks, you can use pictures. So on this side, we will use the pictures that are here, and I'll show you what we're going to do now. There are 3 children. They are riding in a paddle boat. 2 children leave the boat. So there are 3 children in the boat. 2 of them leave. So let's write a 3, because there were 3 of them in the boat. 2 of them are leaving. These 2, we're going to put an X on them. 3 children, take away 2, and there's a nice subtraction equation. Good. So you see how I made an X on 2 of them? But we had to remember to write the 2. So now let's listen to the story down here. There are 4 children playing on the slide. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So let's write 4. Minus how many children are walking away? 1. 1 child is leaving, so we write a 1 there. Good job. So 4 of them minus 1 of them. Let's see how many are left. There's 3 left. Good job. Take that paper, put it to the side, and let's try the next one. Okay, here we go. Listen to the story. Look, there's a fenced-in area. So listen to our story. There are 5 sheep eating grass in the field. Let's draw 5 sheep. Or you can use your blocks. Let's draw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now remember, we have to write a number. What's our number? 5. Good job. 5, take away or minus, that's a minus sign. 5, take away, listen to the rest of it, 3 sheep run away. Since we're drawing, I'm going to just put an X on 3 of them. That'd be 1, 2, 3. How many of them did I put an X on? 3. So 3 of them run away. 5, take away 3. Trace your word is. How many are left in the field? Right, 2. What do? Write it on the line. There we go. Let's look at the next one. There are 2 kittens playing in some leaves. This time I'll use blocks. 1 kitten goes to sleep. So what do we have to write first? How many kittens are playing in the leaves? 2. Let's write our number. Take away. 1 kitten goes to sleep. So let's put him to sleep. Oh, 1 of them goes to sleep. Trace is I-S. 2 of them, take away 1 of them is 1. Very good work. And we can draw that also. Watch, there are 2 kittens playing in the leaves. Minus 1, put an X on 1, is 1 left over. There you go. So we could use blocks or we could draw it. So let's go ahead and turn the page. You want to tear it out? You may tear it out. If you need extra time, push pause. If you need a bathroom break, push pause. We're going to tear page 117 out and flip it over. Be very careful. Okay, now we have another one. Oh, and look, there's that is equal to sign. So listen to this story. 3 turtles are sitting on a log. Let's put 3 of them on here, right on the log. What do we do now? 3 turtles sitting on a log. Really? I hope this is working. Sorry. So we are right at 3. Good job. Minus 1 turtle goes into the water. 1 of them's going in the water. Put an X on it. 3 of them minus the 1 that goes in the water. So we have to write a 1 here. Equals 3 minus 1 is equal to, how many are left on the log? Not the frog, the log. Good, 2 of them. So let's go ahead and write a 2. Excellent work. You can do that with blocks also. There are 3 of them on the log. 1 of them hops away and goes in the water. How many are left? 2. Good. Let's go ahead and get out the next page in our book. Okay, now we are going to listen to a story. First, I will use my blocks. And then I will use, I think this is upside down. Hold on. No? Well, I think Okay. First we'll use blocks and then we'll draw. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is listen to the story. There are 5 frogs in the water. So let's put 5 of them in the water. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have to write that. 5 are in the water. Minus, listen to the rest of the story. There are 5 frogs in the water. 4 frogs jump on the shore. So we have to take 4 of them away. Let's go ahead and make sure we're taking 4 away. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left in the water? 1 equals 1. Very good. So I'm going to remove all these. Now we have our numbers and we can draw what this tells us to draw. How many were there all together? 5. So let's draw 5 of them. Good. That's this number. Minus, how many did we put an X on? 4. Good job. Equals, how many are left over? 1. Very good. You guys are getting so good at this. Let's go ahead and turn the page. Or did we already? I don't think we did. Let's turn our page. See if you can get this one by yourself. You may use your blocks or you may just draw. It's up to you. I'm going to do both. I'm going to use my blocks first to get my numbers in there. There are 3 planes in the sky. 1, 2, 3. That means I have to write a number. Right here. 3 planes in the sky minus 2 planes land. So let's take 2 of them and make them land. We have to write that here. How many are left in the air? Excellent job. You guys are getting good at this. So we used blocks. Now let's go ahead and draw. How many are in the air? 3. Good job. Minus 2. What does that mean? Take away. Good job. So we have to go ahead and do take away. We're putting X's on them to show taking away. 3 minus 2 equals, how many are left without an X on them? 1. Very good, boys and girls. We used objects and we understood that. So go ahead and color both the star and the check mark. We're going to need the book with the letter P on it now. So go ahead and find that. You're going to open it up to page 47. That's the one we'll be using today. So we're going to look. Did we already do that one? No, we didn't. Okay. So we have how many children are sitting at the table in the cafeteria? How many children all together? Excuse me 1 minute. Miss Hayes, can I help you? Okay, I'll be right over. Thank you. Bye. So there are 5 children all together. So we have to write 5 minus how many are leaving? 1. Good job. Let's go ahead and do this now. Listen to the subtraction problem and use objects or drawings to represent the problem. Mark an X to show the objects being taken from the group. 4 squirrels are collecting acorns. So we draw 4 squirrels. Write a number 4. 4 minus or take away 2 squirrels are leaving. Put an X on 2 of them. Make sure you write a 2. 4 take away 2 is, how many are left? 2. Very good. You guys are getting so good at this. Turn your page. If you need to push pause at any time, go right ahead and do that. Here we go. Listen to this story. 4 cats are on the rug. 3 cats leave. How many are left on the rug? That's correct, just 1. So go ahead and fill in the circle under the number 1. Now we have to remember how to do this. We have to tell the story. How many kites are in the sky? 5. Take away, how many are flying away? 2 equals, what's left? 3. Very good. This one here, you have to circle the group that shows 3 ducks. There it is. Very good, guys. Excellent work today. See you next time.